friends, today I'm going to share with you another easy and yummy recipe. I'm going to share with you the recipe of chicken roast. Let us begin with the ingredients. There will be around two set of ingredients. First one is for the chicken brining and the second one is for the chicken coating. I'm going to use 500 grams of chicken, that is chicken drumsticks. I'm using them with the skin. I'll be using around 1.5 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, freshly crushed black pepper, salt, 2 to 3 bay leaves. So in order to brine the chicken, what we are going to do is take a deep pan and add milk. We will add vinegar, around 2 tablespoons into the milk in order to make buttermilk. I will add my bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of parsley. I will sprinkle around half teaspoon of salt on the chicken, freshly grounded pepper, around 1 teaspoon. Now I will dip this chicken for the brining into the buttermilk. Now we will leave our chicken to brine for overnight for the best results, but I will be brining it for around 2 hours and then I will proceed for the frying. Next step or next set of ingredients is to make the batter for the chicken coating. I have around 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or you can use red chili, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, half teaspoon ginger powder, 2 teaspoon paprika and 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Salt, I'm going to use around 1 teaspoon and then all of these ingredients. Now we will mix all these ingredients together in the flour. My flour batter is ready. Now I will coat the chicken into this flour batter and we will proceed for the frying. My oil is now heating and I will start frying the chicken. I'm going to add the chicken pieces. Do not overcrowd the pan. I'm just adding 3 at a time. I have a deep pan and all my chicken pieces are covered with the oil. We need to wait for at least 3 to 4 minutes and then we will turn the side. Fry the chicken as per your desired color and put it on a rack so that all the oil has been drained out. My fried chicken is ready. I'll be sharing with you the pictures. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comments.